What the f?
Dear Brad, since you showed us how bad my DIY haircut turned out, I challenge you. We both happen to currently be in New York City, so why don't we meet and you fix my haircut as a professional so you show us how good you are. At the end, we'll let the audience decide if it was worth the cost of a haircut. There is one condition though. I am a full-time traveler, so I cannot style my hair or use fancy products. So this haircut needs to look good without any styling at all. So I'm curious, what do you say? Are you going to accept the challenge?